Some of the common problems that you have, homeowners has with replacement windows is sometimes they'll lift their window up and the sash wants to slam back down. It won't hold itself in position. Well, generally what causes that is they didn't lift it above the rail, your bottom rail system. And when they tilted it in, it caused your window to come out of your balancing system here. When that happens and your window's in, your window is going to slam into position. Now, what's happened is it has caused your balancing system to go all the way down in the bottom of your jamb, and you cannot reseat that window sash until you lift that up. That requires a flathead screwdriver. Thank you, Mr. Rogers. Of course, you'll want to take your sash out, whichever one it is, put it on the floor, and you're going to want to take your flathead screwdriver and slide it under your sash and lift that up above this rail system. Same thing on this side, just lift it up a little bit and make sure that your sash will drop down in, that your balancing system is open. Simply take your sash, lay it back in to the level position, make sure that it seats down into your rail system and it's back to working properly.